Hey y'all, this is your good old Skywatcher here today, this morning. How y'all doing? Y'all doing alright? Alright. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing okay today. Today we got white skies, possibly rain. We're about 70 degrees with a very good breeze. Yeah. I think we might have some rain today. Good old bird. Alright. There you go. Alright, nothing to say today, but get out and enjoy your day. Alright. Do some barbecuing. Yep. It's about 10 a.m. right now. White skies and rain. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Click that like button. Post comments below. Keep your eyes in the skies. I'll talk to y'all later.